if the lights went off? Will you still be able to recognize this rhythm? Listen to it carefully. Before you go to check the comment, be honest with yourself and write in the comment what rhythm you think you heard. Hola familia afrocubana, I'm Alfredo Garcia from Afrocuban Online, a platform designed to bring clarity and awareness to salsa and Afrocuban dancers. In this video, we're talking about the toque Aguere Part 2 in Percussion Tutor. This toque, as I said in the previous video, belongs to the Orisha or Shosi. Let's listen to it one more time to notice the difference between this one and the previous one. Good! I'm curious, what did you feel? What was different between this rhythm and the previous one? And if you have been dancing Afrocuban for a while, you know already the changes that are happening between these two llamadas. If not, no worries, we are going to do it in a few minutes. But before we get to dance it, let's go to the application. Open the app and look for the toque Aguere Part 2. Listen to it for a while, then hum it, and afterwards play it on your legs. Here, mute the okonkolo and the iya. I will tell you later why it's important to mute these two and not the okonkolo and the totele. No worries. And now that you played it, you hummed it, and you saw it, let's go to the dance studio to see how this movement looks. If you want to go deeper learning Afrocuban dances, I invite you to check Afrocuban Online. There I'm helping thousands of students to recognize, to understand, and to connect the rhythm, the body, and the philosophy behind the Orisha dances. And if you are interested about learning rumba or voodoo or palo or arara, everything, you can find it there. Simply use the code ROOTS and you will get 20% off. I also invite you to subscribe to this channel because I'm working on this series of videos to bring clarity to you. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, Ashe y bendiciones para ti.